Math Module 5, Lesson 3. I can compose and decompose right rectangular prisms using layers. Make sure everything I do in the video, you're doing in your workbook. Good luck! On your first rectangular prism, I want you to draw the following cubes, just like I did. Do the best of your ability and click pause. So now we're going to take that first rectangular prism that we broke into the individual cubes and we're going to kind of break it into layers. So to your best ability, copy this. So how many layers did we just make? Well, let's count. I have 1 layer, 2 layers, 3 layers, 4 layers, 5 layers. So let's fill it in. Number of layers is 5. Well, how many cubes are in each layer? And we know each means 1. So here's 1 layer. So let's look over here. How much is in 1 layer? 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of cubes in 1 layer. So each layer has 4 cubes, so I'm going to put 4 in the first layer, 4 in the second, 4 in the third, 4 in the fourth, and 4 in the fifth. So to find out my volume of the prisms, I have to count my cubes. So I know I have 4 cubic centimeters plus 4 cubic centimeters plus 4 cubic centimeters. So that's 3 layers plus 4 cubic centimeters. That's 4 layers plus 4 cubic centimeters. That's 5 layers. Well, 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20 cubic centimeters. Well, I can also solve that with multiplication, because multiplication is repeated addition. Well, how many 4 cubic centimeters did I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can do 5 layers of times, because of is times, 4 cubic centimeters. 4 times 5 is 20, and I can't forget my unit. So make sure everything I did, you did too. So now I'm going to look at this a little differently. So now, the third one, how many layers did I make? Well, I have a bottom layer and I have a top layer. So that makes 2 layers. So now I need to figure out how many cubes are in one of those layers. Well, think about this. Do I want to choose the bottom or the top? Which one can I see all of the cubes in the far left? It's going to be the top layer. So let's go over and count. So I'm counting on the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I know in my top layer I have 10, and my top layer is sitting right on top of the bottom layer. So that must also have 10. So I have 2 layers. Number of cubes in each layer, 10. Well, I can do repeated addition. This one I'm going up above because I took up too much space. So 10 cubic centimeters plus 10 cubic centimeters is equal to 20 cubic centimeters. Well, I also could do multiplication. How many groups of 10 cubic centimeters do I have? 2. So 2 times 2 groups of 10 cubic centimeters. So 2 times 10 cubic centimeters is equal to 20 cubic centimeters. It's a positive that my answers for volume of prism are both 20 so far. So now for my last rectangular prism, I'm going to layer in another way. So, how many layers did I just make? Well, let's look. I have the back layer, and then I have my front layer. So how many layers is that? 2. Well, now I need to look over at my original rectangular prism. And what am I going to count? Am I going to count the back layer, or am I going to count the front layer? Which one's going to give me a more accurate volume? Which one's going to be easier? Let's be truthful. Counting the front or counting the back? Well, I don't know about you, but I can see all of the front and only parts of the back. So I'm going to count the front. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in my front layer, I have 10. And so if in my front layer I have 10 cubes, guess what? So is my back. So, let's do repeated addition. So my front layer has a volume of 10 cubic centimeters. Added to the back layer is 10 cubic centimeters. Well, 10 plus 10 is equal to 20 cubic centimeters. Ooh, that's so good that it's 20, 20, 20. Now, let's think about this using multiplication instead of repeated addition. How many groups of 10 do I have? I have 2 groups of multiply. 10 cubic centimeters. Well, 2 times 10 is 20 cubic centimeters. So make sure everything I did, you did too. Make sure you have those units, cubic centimeters.